guys, I'm Teresa and today I'm going to show you how to make these wooden poster frames, which was really easy to make. I initially saw these at IKEA and Urban Outfitters, so this is just my take on it. Everything I used in this video will be in the description below, so if you're interested, just keep watching. To start off, measure your strips of wood to the width of your poster and add an extra inch. My poster is 11 inches wide and here I'm measuring 12. Then make your mark and cut out 12 strips of wood like I'm doing here. Once you got that out of the way, these next steps are pretty easy. Stack 2 wooden strips like I'm doing here and secure them together with a piece of rubber band. Do this on each end and this will make your life easier when drilling. Take a ruler and evenly make a reference point on each end and go ahead and drill your hole. Now, depending on the size of your nails, you're going to want to drill a hole big enough to fit them through, so play around with that. Take this extra step to sand down the edges to give it that finished look, and then you can put your strips aside for now. Taking some rope and cut depending on how long you want your frame to hang down. Use your first piece as a guide so you can have 3 even pieces of rope. After that, tie knots on the edges like I'm doing here, and it's time for assembly. You'll need 4 nails, 4 washers, and 4 nuts for each frame. And to fasten it, place the washer and nail on top of the frame and then the nut on the bottom before screwing. Don't forget to loop the rope in at the top of each frame before fastening them. Once you're done that, you're ready to hang them up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Check out my last video here where I make these simple planters out of concrete, and also comment below to let me know what I should make in my next video. Thanks for watching and take care.